Hello everybody, and welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is Paul again, and today we've got a 2014 November Toyota-Vellfire 3.5 V6. This is the Z model GoldenEye, GoldenEye 2. So this is automatic 6-speed, grade 4, very clean car with front fog lights, HID and AFS lights. That's where you engage the button on the dashboard, and the headlights will actually follow the direction that the wheels are pointing in, the steering wheels. It's got indicator door mirrors, which are folding, electric powered door mirrors, privacy glass, rear spoiler, remote power sliding doors and a rear gate, so we've got 3 power doors in total. Dealer option high gloss 18-inch alloy wheels with 2023 tyres. These are the most popular wheels, them 18-inch wheels, I find. I think that I've got one of these myself, and with the same wheels on, they ride very nice on those wheels and tyres, the manufacturer's tyres. So it's got a dash and flip down monitors with remotes, and the head unit in the dashboard will have a certain degree of functionality. You can connect to them with media players, and it will have Bluetooth, I expect, so you'll be able to connect your phone for navigation, Google Maps or Waze, depending which other one is your preference. So this car's got a rear camera, all-round parking sensors, so there's no excuse for bumping it. It's a non-smoker's interior with half leather seats. It's got cruise control, dual climate control, front, side and curtain airbags, which are good safety features, ABS and traction control, and it's got auto wipers. It's got auto folding door mirrors, as I mentioned before, dealer original floor carpets, and all the maker's recalls have been completed. The car's done 99,000 kilometres, which equates to 61,000 miles, and as you can see, it is pearl white. So there it is, if anybody is looking for this vehicle, looking for a vehicle like this, I mean, Vellfire, the Toyota-Vellfire, which seems to be more popular in the UK than the Alphard. I mean, I must say, I like the Vellfire myself, but I've actually got an Alphard, as it says, but same car, but an Alphard, with the same engine, gearbox and interior, and I'm a big fan of these. They're like, it's like, when you travel any distance, it's like going in your lounge somewhere. It's that nice to ride in. So I provide the opportunity for my customers to be able to order and buy these cars direct from Japan at the export trade price. This means that my customers will make a massive saving on the UK retail price. I've no doubt about that. I would say on a car of this type, a minimum saving of £3,500, I would say, and more like getting on towards 5. So because in a nutshell, the best quality cars don't actually leave Japan. The best quality used cars often stay in Japan, can be resold. It just makes common sense. The cars that are not so good, they get sold cheap, and that's where people start to get greedy and see big profit margins in cars that are bought cheap in Japan, obviously cleaned up and freshened up when they get here, and then offered on the UK market for a retail price. So if anybody is interested in this vehicle, then you don't have to feel obligated. If you want to ask questions, you're welcome to ring me, and I will answer any questions you may have about the process. It's an unusual way of buying a car, but I'm providing the opportunity for you to be able to buy this car direct from Japan at the export trade price. So I look forward to seeing you. Bye bye.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.